Okay, so we're back with another RC airplane look, and today I'm going to look at my first RC jet. And of course, as I like the Horizon Hobby UMX planes, I got there, the MiG-15. It's a really tiny jet with a 28mm motor inside, and it's a fully featured 4-channel airplane. It does also feature, they have landing wheels on this one, and those wheel is actually steerable. And I won't talk too much about this now. I will just take it for a flight because I'm just so interested in see how this one works. So it's another great fall morning, early morning, and it's finally time for me to actually fly a jet. I set my timer to 5 minutes on my DX8, which hopefully it will be a nice time to have this one not drop out of the sky. Good throw. Yeah, it's in the air. Wow, it flies really nice. So low pass. Wow. Another low pass. I'll pick up some speed here. Make another low pass. Wow, it's really easy because it glides so nice, and just to increase speed, just have to pick up, increase the throttle, and it just flies away. And although this is a small airplane, with the help of the V shape of the wings, I have no problem telling orientation. It's just great. Some gliding here a bit. Nice to doing these wide turns. Almost hit the moon there. Doing some figure eights. Try both the left and right banking. I'm actually amazed this one, when I point the sticks on the remote, it actually just flies in that direction with nothing strange going on. It's like the remote just an extension of the airplane actually. As usual, I need to gain some altitude in order to increase the flight area, because the fence and the trees have to stay above it to have a nice flying area. So here we have it, my maiden on, a small and tiny jet, the MiG-15. And this is fun, just point and shoot really. Almost above the moon. Oh, there I went over the moon. Nice. Yeah, another one above the moon. So turns can be quite tight with this one. And at least against this, you know, it's not that cloudy, so I have a kind of a bluish tint of color in the background. It's no problem telling orientation. Although this is a tiny airplane, I'm surprised. Nice speed. I suppose this one won't make any speed records when it comes to compared to other jet airplanes, but for me at least it's just a nice speed, and just have a kind of pass here. Another pass, a bit lower this time. Yeah, let's pick up the speed. Just above the buildings, another pass. Pick some speed again. Gain altitude, and then going for another low pass. Yeah, baby, fly. Wow, this is nice. This is so fun. I mean, this is really fun. What a great little airplane this is. Wow, I really nailed it. Now low pass. Now it does actually scream, this plane, so it's not, you know, noise free. It's actually quite an annoying sound coming from the engine. I think the timer is about to complete 5 minutes, so it's time to land this one, and I don't have the nose wheel mounted, so I will barely land this one. One more turn. I'll put it down on the artificial grass on this soccer field. Keep level. Oh yeah, nice. Nice landing. Really nice belly landing. And timer says I have a few seconds left. And no low voltage cutoff, so I think 5 minutes is just fine on this one. If you set the timer, I suppose I could fly a little bit longer. But I really enjoyed that flight, really. Now, I had such a blast flying this one. And of course, I didn't know what to expect, being my first RC jet airplane. But I mean, the experience was just so nice. It flew so straight, and it was quite easy, although being so small, because part of it is because the tail section is all red, although I mean, the silver doesn't look doesn't stand out too much against the gray sky background. But actually the shape of the wing with the V is actually quite easy to see, and I mean, just such a nice plane. It does you know, sound kind of screamish. It only uses the 5-bladed prop inside, so you know, it's just a high-pitched noise. It does not sound like a jet. It more sound like a toy or something. I don't know. What's great also, this one's on the 2-cell 280 milliamp batteries, which are really common for all the UMX airplanes. And I think I got a flight time around 5 minutes. And what's also interesting, I didn't expect this one to glide so nice. It was just straight, nice glide. And it was so easy, just glide and then pick up speed and do a nice turn. So to me it was perfect. The way I launched it is by hand launching, so I just realized I have to, you know, make a firm throw, and then everything went great. And I also belly landed it because I think this one was great. So what I did, I took off the nose wheel and I only used the rear wheels to have some sort of you know, protection for the rear part. And I discovered, well, of course I will just scrape the front part of this one. So I put some tape on it, but overall, I mean, this is just such a nice RC airplane, and for me at least, it's just highly recommended. Just if you consider one, just get it, because it's just a blast to fight.